Okay, as you can see, it's definitely moving it, so this is actually working. So I would definitely suggest putting a bolt through the metal just to hold the thing together, otherwise you could end up just breaking the top bit off and then it would be even more of a pig to do. I would have liked to have done it on the car, but unfortunately the bottom ball joint was an absolute bitch and I had to cut the frigging thing off. So Toyota, them bottom ball joint nuts are crap. Sort it out. So I'll progress with this. I said I'll try and let you see it. Look, I haven't got a stand, so struggling at the minute. Coming, a bit funny angle there. She's coming. There you go. Happy days. Wow. So yeah, that does work. Gentle tap and then you can see how bad it is on the inside. I'll give it a clean up and then put the new one on. So just a top tip if you're doing your wheel bearing. There's even a nice groove there actually in the actual thing, which I bet that's fucking there to help you pull it out. But yeah, so good luck with that. But I say I will definitely put a bolt through the middle just to hold it together. That way it won't come apart and then you'll be able to pull it out in one.